In this video, we show how to complete your self-serve installation on our copper network. A technician should have visited your home to ensure that your jacks are connected to Bell's network, and showing you which jack or jacks are for internet and which are for home phone. Now it's time to set up your equipment. Make sure you have all your gear: the Home Hub 3000 modem, 5 TV boxes, and pods depending on your services. The modem gets connected first. Connect the provided DSL cord from the internet jack to the gray DSL 1 port on the modem. If 2 lines were installed for your internet, connect 2 DSL cords from DSL 1 and 2 on the modem to the 2 dedicated internet wall jacks shown by your technician. Next, connect the power cord. Now it's time for a little break. Please wait while your modem communicates with Bell's network because it can take up to 15 minutes to configure. Once the indicators have turned a solid, steady white, your modem is ready. You can start connecting Wi-Fi devices using the supplied Wi-Fi name and password. If you want to change the Wi-Fi password, download the Bell Wi-Fi app. If you are hardwiring any devices, the Ethernet cables plug into any of the 4 yellow LAN ports. If you ordered 5TV, you now have access to it through the 5TV app. Now connect the set-top boxes one by one. First connect it to the TV with a HDMI cable. Then plug in the power, and the on-screen instructions will guide you from there. And repeat for each receiver. If you purchased Wi-Fi pods, download and open the Bell Wi-Fi app and follow the instructions to add the pods to your home network. Oh, of course, let's not forget your home phone. You can plug your wireline handset into any of the regular phone jacks connected by your technician. And remember, any additional equipment can be ordered directly from the MyBell app. Happy viewing, surfing, chatting, banking, teaching, other stuff. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.